Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a wig review for Uniwigs Jade Wig, which is a Remy human hair by Uniwigs. And this is in the color 626R. So this is my first human hair piece from Uniwigs, and it is fantastic. And I'm not saying that just because I'm doing a review and content with them. I am doing this, I say this because of my experience with human hair wigs. I have lots of human hair wigs. I've had different brands, different manufacturers, and this is a great piece. So Jade comes, I believe, in 3 colors. This is the 626R color. It's a vanilla butter blonde. It's a very dimensional salon type blonde. There's no brassiness to this blonde color. I'll show that to you outside as well. So yesterday I did throw in some curls into it, very loose waves. And you can see that some of that has come out. It's relaxed a bit. And what will help is if you spray it with like a heat protectant spray, like a hairspray too, to like hold that. What I will tell you this is that Jade is 110% density. It is very lightweight, low density, no permatease. This is perfect for all you new wig wearers or those of you that just like low density wigs. This is a perfect piece for you. Now it comes with a lace front. I have trimmed that lace front yesterday as well in some filming, and it has a full monofilament top for multi-directional parting, so you can part this any way you want. This is how it came for me. And it has wefts in the back and a mesh soft cap. So it's their top comfort cap. It is literally very comfortable. You're going to feel just really comfort when you put this on, like it's hugging your head and designed for you. It has hook adjusters. I'll show you the cap here in a little bit. But I'm very impressed with this. It's a Remy human hair fiber too. So, which is key when shopping for human hair. You really want it to be Remy, and this piece is Remy human hair. So, first of all, you're going to want to enter the code Christy15 when you purchase this or any piece from Uniwigs. It's going to save you 15% off your order. So I just want to say that to you so that you know how you can get a discount off of Uniwigs. So let's go ahead and do a spin. Beautiful color. I love this color. There is no brass to it. It's a very salon worthy color. I feel like I just got my hair done and that color was designed to be like that. So again, the cap construction, I'm just going to show that to you. So my Jade came with an extended lace front, and I just cut that to where I wanted that to lie on the hairline. It has a full lace top, so multi-directional parting is capable with this. So wherever you want to do your part, you can. It has a wefted mesh cap construction. It is their top comfort cap, super comfortable. This wig comes straight out of the box. You can add curls to it. You can straighten it out because it might have a little bit of a kink with in the shipping process. That's normal with all wigs, especially human hair wigs. So I just want to say that mine came straight. Yours might come different, it just depends, but you can apply heat to this, obviously, because it's a human hair wig. I would recommend using a heat protectant spray. You'll want to keep also like maybe an argan oil eventually to protect your fibers and take care of them. Now, when you get this piece, you're going to receive some care instructions and some information from Uniwigs, so check that out. Very educational, and will help you keep the longevity of your wig. Now down below is links of how you can get this piece again, and to save 15% off, use the code Christy15. Don't forget to click subscribe. I hope you enjoy this short but detailed video on the Jade Wig by Uniwigs. It's a winner for me. I want to know your thoughts down below. Bye.